Son becomes a Lord. He learns to ask humility. He understands the basic and durable freedom. God is a it's like a big king who
Families in Firzabad they have spent families in families.
Raibir is a youngster and a classmate of Pranjal at Pranjal School and
Ever to boil water boil.